Hey there, Bravo here. In this video, we're gonna walk you through how to create, send, and apply coupons in Bravo so you can boost sales and keep your customers coming back for more. Let's jump right in. From Bravo's dashboard, head over to the right side menu and expand Promotions. Then click Coupons. On the right side menu, click Add New Coupon. This is where we'll set everything up. Start by giving your coupon a name, then type in a code your customers will use. I'm going to use SAVE10. Next, choose whether it's a dollar amount or a percentage off and then enter the discount value. Now we're going to enter the start and end dates for our promotion. These checkboxes help you refine how your coupon works. If you check individual customer coupon, that makes the coupon specific and non-transferable, and it can only be used by the customer you send it to. You'll only see this coupon in the drop-down if it was sent directly to your customer. This option means this coupon can only be used in-store. It won't work online or in the MobilePawn app. And then there's Restrict to Category. This lets you limit the coupon to a certain category like electronics or jewelry. Once you check that box, click Edit and choose one or more categories the coupon should apply to. Once you've got everything filled out and selected the options that fit your promo, go ahead and click OK, then save to lock it in. Now the coupon's ready. Let's send it out. To send to a single customer, open their profile, click the message icon, and choose the coupon from the drop-down list. Bravo will automatically drop in the coupon code, and you can tweak the message however you want before clicking send. If you're sending it to a group of customers, head back to Promotions and click Schedule Mobile Event. We're going to click the green plus to add a new event. We are going to use the drop-down to select Coupon. Then just pick the coupon you want to send. Choose how you want to send it, auto, MobilePawn, or text, and select the date and time you want it to go out. When you're ready, hit OK, and your coupon will be on its way. Now let's talk about how coupons get applied in-store. Start a sale like you normally would and add the customer to the transaction. Now let's enter the coupon code at the bottom of the screen. Bravo will automatically subtract the discount and show a little red note right there in the description so you know it's been applied. Easy! Just a heads up, only one coupon can be used per item, and coupons can't apply to loans, layaways, or other non-sale transactions. And that's it! Coupons are an awesome way to reward customers, run promos, or just give people a reason to stop in. If you got questions, check out our Solution Center, ask our AI chat Judy, or give us a call at 888-407-6287. Thanks and have a great day.